Y'all, excuse me, please line up over here on your left-hand side. Please put your laptops inside a different container. That's a different bucket, the little cantarito right there. Put your laptops in there. Excuse me, sir, you have to take your socks off in your shoes, please. You have to take off your socks off of your feet, sir. Okay? Thank you. My God. Yo, what's good? Yo, it's just saying, I'm over here live from the TSA building, you know what I'm saying? I'm over here working, putting my work in, also doing the intro for Bodega Boys. Oh, shit, you saying, oh, look at him, he's burning. Oh shit! Oh my God! Yo, is that a gun? Is that a gun? Who got a gun? Yo, who got the burner? Yo, my God! Yo, everybody get low. Excuse me, everybody. Stand over here. Please go to your left-hand side and take off your socks. Please get low. Niggas are shooting. Oh my God! Yo, you got your shot. I got my shit on me. Y'all looks good. Yo, I'm off for 5 minutes, man. I'm out. Yo, Bodega Boys is in the building. He's lit. Yo, y'all niggas better get low. They're shooting. Oh shit!
Episode 35! Bodega Boys in the motherfucking building!
Damn!
It's your boy, Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket Safe Fat Cereal, a.k.a. Chris That's for Sling Dick, Eli Lippy, Boochus Gully, Slow But I Might Know You Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, Jesus H Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rando, 1994, Macau going off, the Juve Boss, MC Likugunga P, pull up for 40 with your shorty, a.k.a. Don't Talk to Me in the Uber Pool, I Don't Know You, a.k.a. Mr. La Marina with a mesh marina and a fresh Mr. Marina, cool.
Damn!
Woo!
Damn!
Let's go, a.k.a. your problematic bag.
That's right. Wow.
Let me hand it over to the Prime Minister of Smack City.
Smack City?
Yeah!
Damn! Call me Mr. Brexit. Yo, it's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. human do-rag flap, nigga. A.k.a. Curve Gotti, Donovan McDowell. You know what I'm saying? East Street, my Stevie B, Ben Smack Biombo.
Ben Smack.
You know what I'm saying? Flow Biden, nigga. I don't run. You know what I'm saying? Skirt Loader. You know what I'm saying? Rico Sabroso, Papi Chulo in the building. You know what I'm saying? AKA the nigga that you saying has been mad at for 25 years. You know what I'm saying?
Get over it.
Holla.
That was a long time ago.
You know what I'm saying? I'm a different man now.
Oh, he's changed, ma. Can't you see?
Look at the range, fam.
Oh, man. He was just fucking them hoes. He's gonna get right back. Yo, as always, we're coming to you live. You hear the crystal clear quality here at 220 West 18th Street. Do the drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Oh, man.
Beautiful.
A lot of things happened this week.
Oh, man, I'm shivering.
First and foremost, we have a new segment called The Corrections. I'm going to correct 3 things we got wrong on last week's podcast. Now, 3 corrections with a K. So it's 3 Ks. Okay. All right? The KKK corrections.
Let's do it.
First, Roxanne Dicel, shorty that I mentioned, I said was white last week. She's actually colored. That's indigenous people of South Africa.
Oh.
So shouts to her.
Okay.
Number 2, Shorty and his sister that we shouted out, that we said were Dominican Muslim.
Oh, yeah.
We completely made that up.
Oh, they're not Dominican Muslims?
They were Dominican Muslim. And third, apparently Long John Silver had nothing to do with the Clarence Thomas trial.
Oh.
It was actually a porn called Long Dong Silver.
But
facts don't matter.
Facts don't matter.
But I just threw that out there so you people, when you hit me with your little fucking actually,
that's right.
You think you're doing something in life.
They made fucking Black Lives Matter without our approval.
You know what I'm saying? Anyway, I was trying to be in it.
You know what I'm saying?
I could have done something.
Could have came
problematic sign, a problematic scene with a gas mask and Ferguson.
Oh no! Niggas choking, getting brain like.
Oh shit! Just got the bulletproof vest on, like Don Lemon, getting my ass ate. Oh,
damn! Yo, the problematic light just shorted out.
Shit just scolded my eyebrows.
Damn!
Yo, a lot of shit happened this week. Where to even begin with the Olympics? Shout to Olympics. Shout to the Little Islands is cooking out her. Shout to the Bahamas.
Straight, right.
Shorty did the flip flop dive,
you know what I'm saying?
For greatness.
Jump on dive. Dive on win. Dive on win. Dive on win. That's the new shit.
That's a new dance. You gotta
bust it down style. Dive on win.
You gotta do that shit with a conch shell. Oh,
but
man.
You cannot leave the island with it. Conch shells must stay native.
The conch shells must stay native.
You know what I'm saying?
That's what their economy is based off. Their currency is back to conch shells. You take one off, start fucking inflation.
Damn.
Oh, but nah, shout out to them because it's a legal move.
And the Fed.
It's a legal move. Apparently, America did that a couple of years ago. You know?
Yo, listen, if it's legal, you can't be mad.
You gotta good cook. You had a homie from Haiti.
That's right. You know
was a little cocky.
My son. Nigga thought he was gonna just hop over the hurdle.
He barely jumped. Your man trying to jump over the hurdle the way you jump over a puddle when the snow melts. He realized the hurdle was not his friend.
It's not my friend.
Yo, he was wild cocky with it. Like he was tapping his wrist to the watch.
Come on, like, yo, let's get it popping. What's good, yo?
Let's get it popping.
I'm out here.
Let's get it
You already know.
Nope. He was trying to get early to that Usher concert. Oh, man. And then, of course, Jamaica.
Shout out to Jamaica.
Shout out to Jamaica, you know.
You
know, they say we are loud people. We like brown colors. Well, we like gold.
Okay.
All right. We're out there. You see your man Bolt. We say Bolt like posing for photos before the shit ends.
And homie's over here laughing and shit.
Laughing
at the finish line, like looking sideways, not even paying attention. Yo, if you're running that fast, because I'm sure you've done this as well. When you're running for police or running because running from cops is the fastest you will ever run humanly possible. You know
Make your Timbs feel like
oh my god,
Air
like
Max.
Air Maxes. So when you running that fast, you got to stay focused in front of you, fam.
Yeah.
If you turn your head sideways, you're busting your ass.
Yeah.
My son is a superhuman.
No, he's not even running his top speed.
Nah.
He's just like, yo, I'm here. Let me at least show up.
He's doing Sonic when before you get the sneakers. Like,
yeah,
just regular,
he's just this is
niggas don't want me to put the sneakers on.
light work. Light work.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, shout out to Sonic.
Shout out to my man Luisito Pie. You know what I'm saying? The Dominican Taekwondo champ. You know what I'm saying? Dominicans out here winning medals in Taekwondo. I didn't even know we did that. Shout out to my guy though.
I've seen that. I've seen Dominicans do Taekwondo. I go to La Marina a lot. Right? I see that shit concept.
Man times like Aldo shoes like pop, 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 pop.
Just a nigga with very arched eyebrows doing the wild
fucking Romeo. Yo, this is the Romeo Santos style, Poppy. You don't want no drama with me.
Romeo Santos MMA.
You crazy, nigga? I'm nigga choke you with the hookah hose and shit. You crazy?
Nigga ground and pound your girl. Oh shit!
Yo, Dominicans will beat you in Taekwondo and will beat you over the head for coke prices.
Oh man! Oh, shout out to coke prices coming down.
Coming down.
Oh wow! Jeez, it's a lot. A lot going on.
A lot.
You peeped that new Smerm Life?
Smerm Life. This nigga's smack shit. Yo, Smerm Life 2.
That album is good.
Oh man,
that
they did
intro,
not disappoint me.
Yeah, man, they
did not
didn't
disappoint me.
They're just having fun.
Yo, so great, and you can tell when niggas. Let me tell you something, because this is the same thing we doing. When people just chilling, having fun. The shit shows, B.
Yeah.
And it's lit. You know what I'm saying? That's how you know the album they were just in the studio getting smacked, just fucking around saying shit, and then they was like, yo, that's it, sounds hot. Yo, get in the booth. That's it. Fire. You know what I'm saying? Classic art.
Shout out to Slim Jimmy.
Sway Lee. You know what I'm saying?
Singing like a little angel.
That's right.
He's up there.
Cherubic.
Sounds like a young Celine Dion. Just hitting the high notes.
And as a Jamaican, that is high praise.
It's very high praise.
You know what I'm saying?
You know, she's second only to Duddus and Bob Marley. Mero's about to spit water all over the place. You can't ruin the studio.
Nah, this is expensive equipment in here, B.
You can't do that, man.
No way. Yo, Olympics niggas is wildin'. Your man's I can't even say this nigga's name. Your man Ryan Lochte.
Yo, what's that? Yo, your man came through, was like, yo, niggas put the blickies in my head. They took the no, son. Yo, how you getting robbed? And your man, yo, shout out to my man Melo. My man Melo just chilling out in the favela
in the trap
with no security,
none.
just chilling on the plastic, shooting hoops.
Yo, El Nino, come over here and take this flick for me, my nigga.
Yo, flick it up one time.
Flick it up one time, my nigga. Throw it up your set.
He saw City of God. He said he loved that movie. That's why he went there. So now I'm like, what's going on in Rio? Because Melo's good money over there.
Yeah.
They respect the bully ball.
Yeah.
But Ryan Lochte, whatever the hell his name is over here. They're putting a burner to his blonde dome.
Look at last name sounds like a Pusha T ad lib. Fuck out of here. Yo, but yeah, your man, it's so ill because he's like, yo, we got robbed. Fam. Who said that's like, yo, I've used that excuse when I owe motherfuckers money for drugs. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, sir, y'all fucked up this pack, yo, but it wasn't me, my nigga. Yo, I was on Tremont just chilling. I came out the store with a sandwich, right? Yo, and then them niggas, Ray and them niggas from like 198, yo, them niggas ran up. And I was stuck, B, because I was dolo. I didn't have the thing on me. It was 3 of them. They had 3 guns, yo. And the plug is just looking at you like, Mama Guebo.
Like, listen, why did he even make up the story? And now the video came out of them You haven't seen it yet because we're recording this in the morning, but yo, they were fighting with security guards. They kicked down a door.
Come on.
And then the worst part is, like, he's back in the United States, and Brazil was like, no.
That
Their
just
judge was
shows-
shaking the merengues. It was like, nah, y'all gotta stay down here. Y'all stay.
Samba. Yo,
They
it's crazy.
snitching on him.
What?
That's it. We all see season 2 of Prison Break.
Come on.
Nobody's trying to be in a jail or prison in Brazil.
No.
All right? Unless you got a map tattooed on your back, you're fucked.
You fucked, dog. Come on.
Niggas gotta eat scorpions.
Nah.
I don't even.
Yo, nah, man, your man is wildin'. He came out with a wild lie. This video, yo, you can't make up stories in 2016, fam. There's cameras everywhere. Technology, everybody got a camera, dog. You can't make up lies, fam. You gotta have all your bases covered. This nigga got wet, and I said on Twitter, I was like, yo, who's out there taking wild fake pharmaceuticals, getting blinged up. You know, he's in South America. He's like,
Testing all the drugs.
testing all the drugs, getting sniffed up. Yo, and he's wildin', buying pussy, wildin' out. You know what I'm saying?
Not using no condoms.
And risking it all.
Putting him at risk.
You know what I'm saying?
Disgusting.
So they said, dude, put me at risk. Don't put me at risk.
Oh, man.
Is that his ad-lib, Gia? That's his thing?
Ryan?
He tried to trademark that.
Did he?
Did you know about that?
I've never heard of this guy before before this week.
He's a swimmer. And they got a show on E, fam.
A lot of these sports, I feel like the Olympics, like, it starts big. Pause.
Yeah.
No pause.
No,
We don't do
pause.
pause no more.
Okay.
It starts big. And then they run out of events. Because then, like, week 2, now they're just making up shit.
Come on.
Like, I saw yesterday, like, they were just swimming in dirty water. Just a bunch of people.
There's no really
and
no
graphics. there was no like star. It was just like some nigga from Ireland. And like I'm like, what is this shit?
What is the fuck?
And then like they're fighting, or like the worst one is like, I love the track and field. I love the track and field when everyone got their own lane. That shit is whack when they do the marathon shit and they all gotta get into one lane. Nobody wants to see that. That's Penn Station at 5 o'clock. That's not fun.
There's a bunch of motherfuckers catching the fucking
Trying to get the fucking
railroad
the 941 to Ronkonkoma.
after the Billy Joel concert.
Honey, I'm on my way back.
We saw Billy at the Garden. We
I'm gonna tie one on Applebee's though. Catch me at tracks by track 9.
Niggas said tie one on. Yo, niggas be at the track with the plastic cup
with the plastic cup.
Like, come on.
Looking at the screen with the destinations, like, jeez.
God damn it. I'm trying to get
the train's in the yard.
Chicago.
Why is the train listed, but there's no track yet?
Oh, no trains to sell it. Are you kidding me?
Shout to everyone that knows the secret at Penn Station about how to find out what track for your Amtrak train. I'm not going to blow it up.
Not even going to blow it up.
Not even blow it up.
Secret.
Real niggas know.
You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Live niggas respect it.
Yep. No, the Amtrak situation at Penn Station is stupid because like they want to check your ticket before you get on the train, then you got to show your ticket again. It's the only place. It's one of the few places. I think they also do it in DC, but everywhere else you just walk onto the Amtrak train. Chomo, Kilmo. Shout out to all my DC people. Out there with the fresh phone posits. Big day party down there this weekend. The Views from the Grits party.
Shit. True.
Shout out to the Bicorn and them.
Damn, I keep touching the mic like an asshole.
Stop touching the mic.
Damn!
Shout out to all the DC people. Y'all enjoy that. I don't know if it's a white-only party.
Is it?
You know what? I feel like every party, I'm Jamaican, so every party could possibly be a white-only party.
Right.
Yeah, I show up at your wedding and all white.
I'm so smacked, I was like, damn, that's racist.
You thought it was only whites?
Yeah, I was like, what do you mean?
Just a day party of white people?
Coachella, nigga? Like, what do you mean?
It's a gentrification day party. Everyone bring kale.
Yeah, that's fucked up.
Just the black people at the window like, nah, it's not supposed to be. I thought this was a chocolate city. Nah.
Yeah, we talk about DC so much they're gonna like feature us on like best of DC.
Yeah, we're gonna be classy there. we're gonna join like some Greek organization that's postgraduates.
Be Wale's kid's godfather and shit. You know what I'm saying? Out here.
Shout out to Wale.
Shout out to Wale. Speaking of godfather, shout out to my brother, you know what I'm saying? Who I was the godfather of his son, you know what I'm saying? Very humbling moment, you know what I'm saying? I've never been the godfather of any child. So shout out to them, you know what I'm saying? And godfathers everywhere. I don't even know what that means.
What is your role as a godfather? I feel like that's very risky because you have like a fuckload of kids already.
Yeah, that's true.
So if
he dies, I got to take
what I've learned from Party of 5 and the TV show with the Smollets where their parents died is if their parents die, you're responsible for them.
The oldest guy's responsible?
No, you're responsible for them. Yeah, that Party of 5 shit wouldn't fly. Like no sane judge is gonna let like some kid raise their brothers and sisters. All right, so now you got a new kid.
I mean, listen, just another lotto ticket. Shout out to Lucky, you know what I'm saying? My little homie.
Is that the kid's name, Lucky?
No, his name is Luciano.
Oh, but you call him Lucky.
I call him Lucky. You know what I'm saying? Gotta give him a little name.
Listen, what was the name of that football player? He had the wild, problematic, like Hall of Fame speech, and he was like, "Latinos have the gift of family."
Who the fuck? An NFL player said that? How to be an NFL player because he got his wild dome rocked.
He said it like mad stereotypical shit. Oh, damn. I know they're gonna. Where's Victor? Victor.
Yo, where's Ja?
The brand used to be strong. We used to be able to look at Victor and he'd have the answer on deck. He didn't even show up today. Just lost, man.
Yo, I feel bad because we just said that he's gonna hear this shit. Like, I'm so sorry,
guys.
Please, I didn't mean to let you down. I think we can trace.
Oh man.
Yo, you have the Wavy Ranch open.
Listen.
Okay.
Shout out to the sponsor,
Okay,
Lay's Wavy Ranch.
You
They're
know
not
what I'm
really a sponsor, but they're here and I'm eating it.
You know what I'm
Shout out to the Zika vaccine.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Narcan.
Yo.
Shout out to K2,
Shout out
as
to K2.
always.
Yo, K2. Did it, homie? Speaking of hysteria and taking drugs, homie in Florida that ate the nigga's face.
Yes, they said he was like a straight A student. He was in like advanced placement.
What?
And then like I guess
For what? Eating faces?
They did bath salts. He went out, killed a random couple.
Yo,
was eating the guy's face off, and they said it took like 6 cops to tackle him.
Florida got to get out of here.
Hold up.
Yeah.
The cops tackled him?
Yeah, they tackled him.
So basically,
he was eating two humans.
His face.
And
he his face, but that's not when you use lethal force.
Yeah. You use the force.
But I reached for my fucking license and registration. You light me up like the 4th of July.
Are you kidding me? Look, don't go in your pocket. It's quiet for you, nigga.
Yeesh.
Put your hands where my eyes can see.
Florida is wild, but you know what I understand because Florida is very hot.
Florida's very hot and humid.
And it rains all the time.
So
I get
alligators
it.
and shit. Everybody's mad tense.
Yeah.
I understand.
The bad tans.
Disney World. Stressful.
It's tough.
You know it's just tough out there, man.
Hard as a Florida youth.
Yo, I had to wear the same chain glitters. Damn, times is rough and tough like alligators biting my moms. Why'd I turn into LL Cool J?
Listen. Deepest blue is my shark. My hat's like a shark fin.
Is that the stupidest shit you've ever heard in a rap song? I heard a lot of stupid shit.
A lot of stupid shit you heard in rap songs comes from LL.
Yo, shout out to LL.
He, she, delicious shit. That fucking pink cookies in a plastic bag getting crushed by buildings.
What? What?
Huh?
Yo, maybe
he's talking in the fucking Sims language.
You know what I'm saying? And then niggas want to talk about Young Thug.
Young Thug
being unintelligible.
Actually, Young Thug changed his name to "My name is Jeffrey."
Oh shit!
Not Jeffrey. He changed his name to "My name is Jeffrey."
My name is Jeffrey. Okay. Shout out to My Name is Jeffrey.
So basically, we calling Young Thug Young Thug.
Yeah.
Because we're not switching up shit.
Yeah. No, we don't do that.
Last person tried to switch up name.
Y'all.
Remember when Bow Wow tried to change his name? He was like, "I'm no longer Bow Wow."
I'm Shad.
He's Shad. Shout out to Bow Wow, youngest in the game, legendary. Like A-Rod, he retired this earlier this week. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? He was giving us hits. He held us down for 13 summers. He did not.
No, he didn't.
He did not. Mr. 106 in Park.
He held Nickelodeon now for 10 summers. Shout out to him.
And then he squashed his beef with Romeo Miller.
Oh, they had
Master
beef?
P's son.
They had beef?
They had beef. They had a bad beef.
What is this?
Like niggas was getting a juice box snatched.
Wow.
Like shit was rough. That shit,
Romeo just ran up and mushed them and grabbed his Entenmann's cookies.
They brought their goons to the Nickelodeon Awards and shit. Niggas was getting slimed.
Nigga hit him in the head with the Blimp Award.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Jack.
Like Clarissa explains it all. It's like stop,
guys, stop!
Guys, stop it!
Ferguson, stop him!
Oh,
iCarly, no! iCarly, no!
Zendaya got to see this.
Yeah.
Is that her name? Zdenya? Whatever.
Zdenya lives on 187 for St. Nick.
That's Zenya's sister.
This is Zenya's sister. You're talking about Zendaya.
She got 42,000 followers on the Instagram, but she sleeps on a cot.
You know what I'm saying? She got 2 Verizon polos. You know what I'm saying?
Jeez.
One home for home games, one for away games.
Hey, you know what that means?
Smacked.
You smacked? How you feeling?
I got a little Kit Kat. I'm gonna eat
What's going on in Smack City? How's life in Smack City?
Yo, Smack City is great. I just had a wedding anniversary. She was lit.
Oh.
Went to dinner.
What is it? Your what year?
5 years of married on paper, but mad other years put in work.
Shout out to,
you know what I'm saying?
Shout out to you. Shout out to the sponsor
of this
church and shit.
Gang.
You know what I'm saying? 5 years. That's
a long time, B, to be married.
That
y'all
is.
niggas don't know, yo.
She came at the right time because 5 of those years.
Well,
at least 2 of those years you were on TV.
Oh yeah.
So
I might be dead.
She's like, listen, she wanted like
I'm a very messy guy. Mm-hmm. I'm kind of irresponsible.
Right.
But I own my mistakes.
Oh. That's good for you.
Yeah.
That's good for you.
Man?
Since we're talking about relationships,
Yeah.
I am.
Shit, I thought you were about to get mad messy. I was like, yo, Messy Jesus is making an appearance? No.
Messy Jesus.
Messy.
Jesus. Make it work. No, we're talking about relationships.
Okay.
I'm currently in a relationship with a pair of Yeezy boots. That's right. I copped the people. I told you I was getting it for the Kanye concert.
You know, at least, this is going to sound fucked up. Like 10 girls did the shit when you hit a home run and it's like going, foul.
Right.
And you're like, yeah.
Hey, nah, nobody wants to see me in a relationship.
We're gonna throw that out there.
I'm more fun when I'm out here.
When you out here being day party god?
Day party god.
That's true.
It's gonna get cold soon, and I can't go to day parties. So you just gotta wait for the weather.
You be at a day party with a peacoat, nigga.
I'll be out there, North Face, like,
what's good?
I'll be like, this shit is lit. My teeth chattering like, just the cold wind breezes off of the cuts in until La Marina. I'm like, can you turn on a thermal lamp? They're like, Jesus, we closed in September.
Sir.
There's snow on the sand. I'm like, nah, it's lit.
Papi,
I need a one dance.
No, Papi, no.
I'm playing the music off my speakerphone.
Papi, no. Papi, you had to go out of here. Papi, it's no verano.
I got the fucking beer. It's frozen. I'm trying to heat it up with a lighter.
Papi, that beer is yellow, Papi. Oh my God. This nigga, somebody getting out of here.
Oh man, that's me. That's me. Not going nowhere. I'm like, bad
warm
boy.
your hands with the hookah coal and shit like
I fucked that. I got my shirt over the hookah, trying to stay super warm. Yeah, listen, throwing a couple extra layers. We could have La Marina all summer.
Oh, winter.
I bring my shovel and like clean it out. They're like, you don't gotta do that.
Yo, you don't gotta do all that, man.
Nah, it's cool. It's cool. Chef Robe coming through. Oh man, yo. But speaking of which, Usain Bolt, his mother was recently
very West Indian in nature.
Was like that. She wishes he would settle down.
Yo, you can't settle down when you're the most popular athlete in the world.
How is he setting world records and his mother's still not like satisfied at all?
That's how they do. I'm telling you.
Usain. World record. Can't marry the world. If you don't have kids, you won't leave a mark in the world.
The world can't give me a grandchild.
No. Keep running from responsibility.
Yeah.
Olympics every 4 years. You only have your mother for 3.
Like what, Mom? Did you just predict your death?
Yes.
Yo, why?
They'll do that. They'll totally do that.
Yeah, my mom used to always guilt me with death.
Can't hug a gold medal. I can't bring a gold medal to church. Listen,
I mean, she could, and it would be lit if she did.
Nah, people want to see the kid. But what she fails to mention is Usain Bolt probably brings chicks around, and she's mad judgy, like, yo, get this big face girl out my sight.
Yep.
She cross. She bad mind.
She too bad mind.
She too bad. Why her face so hard? I mean, I like her. She rude. She didn't address me by my first name. She has no home training.
Yo, you gotta
takes one. Oh, you just walk it. You just minding your business, and you don't even know. It's like meeting a West Indian mother is like, you know, in movies when people have to cut a wire on a bomb, and you gotta figure out red or blue, and you're mad nervous,
and you're doing a fucking anime sweat, and you're like,
And people on Facebook was like, no, that's like meeting any mother, like a Spanish mother, African mother. No, West Indian mothers are on a whole nother level of judgy. That's not even a real word.
It is.
But it is.
It is. It's a thing. It's a sentiment.
I've seen women decimated. This is hurtful. You can't even help them.
What's the
you
worst
can't
thing?
help them. Like, you just
you can't. You can't. You gotta let them. You gotta sink or swim. You know what I'm saying? You can't, because if you do help them, then your mom is like, yo.
You get sucked into the vortex too. And I'm not trying to be on punishment with you.
No.
With your big face.
No. With your big face. I'm not
Get out of here.
Get out of here.
My mother said you got a big face. That means you got a big face. Tasha.
We get some new mirrors.
All right.
Some face reduction mirrors.
All right. Get out of here. Got too much cheek and not enough gums.
Shorty got immature teeth.
She got the fucking Condoleezza Rice teeth.
Yo.
The dolphin shits. Yo, your man.
That dolphin is?
I think so.
We're pulling in there.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Damn, I fucked up that joke. Anyway, it was a 9/11 joke.
Oh, word?
Because Rudy Giuliani forgot about 9/11.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
He forgot about 9/11, did he?
Yeah, he did.
He did. Him and his racist teeth. Yo, that's why I know y'all seen that picture of him with the top row looking immaculate and then the bottom row looking like
fucking
looking like ground zero. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, his shit was looking hurt, and that's why because all his lies and his poison is stored in his lower jaw. That's why his teeth are rotting from the inside.
He can unhinge his lower jaw
like
to eat a rodent like a snake.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Sick, like
fucking animal.
Probably that's how he eats small field vermin.
Fuck Giuliani.
Fuck Giuliani.
That's been the
So
sentiment.
now he's like, because he's out there sucking Trump's dick
hard. Publicly.
He wants a cabinet position. It's so clear.
Bruh.
And he went out there. It was
playing
like,
with the foreskin.
he threw like what I was just talking about throwing your girl under the bus in front of your mother. He threw New York City under the bus for Donald Trump.
He said, fuck y'all for Donald Trump.
Fuck that. I need a job, nigga.
Go ahead. Keep on. You see how it worked out for Chris Christie? Mm-hmm. Chris Christie right now is at the bagel shop like, y'all, would you like cream cheese and lox on that, sir? Huh? Fat bastard.
Christie just sitting at home in yoga pants and shit while depressed.
The Wild Fupa.
Watching MSNBC like that should have been me.
I can't stand Chris Hayes.
Hey, fuck him.
Rachel Maddow, can't stand him.
Can't sit that fucking cunt.
They made fun of me.
They made fun of me.
Fucking jerks.
Yeah, I shut down that bridge.
Fuck him.
I shut down that bridge.
And Magliano, call him, shut down the bridge. Call Coluccio. Shut the bridge down.
He's got like fucking crumbs on his
Crumbs
chest.
on his chest, you man, ham shit.
Got the
You're not even
Blige
Italian, fam. You're not even Italian.
He puts on a tracksuit and goes to like the fucking cappuccino with the rest of the fake soprano guys and shit. He's working out with John Gotti Jr.
Fucking like Jim McGreevy and shit. Like, yo, niggas like Jim McGreevy, you're a fucking fanook. He's like, that's problematic, sir. Niggas all wearing velour suits. I hate y'all niggas, man.
Elizabeth, exit 13A. Just sit in the parking lot at IKEA. You're not low, Christie. You know what you're doing.
I see you a smash burger. Nigga talking about put 2 eggs on my shit. Fat bastard. Room 17, nigga. Seen you?
By the airport with the fucking Usher logo.
Yo, Chris Christie definitely rocks Steph Curry on the other sneakers.
Definitely. And them shits is leaning. Them shits is leaning hard. Them shits look like fucking door ramps. Like accessibility handicap ramps. Oh, wow, we're speeding and we're problematic.
Man. Yeah.
As always, shout out to white genocide.
You know what I'm saying?
Black placenta.
You know what I mean?
Misogynar. We have that
That's
group.
like our Floetry group?
Yeah, that's the 4 black women playing a band, and I stand there with tape over my mouth.
True.
Because there's no erasure of black women.
That's right.
There's no hateration or erasuration.
That's right.
In this dancery.
None at all.
Shout out to Mary J. Blige.
That's
Shout out to Y.O.
Chicken and lettuce and chicken and lettuce. Yo, speaking of Mary J. Blige.
Mary J. Blige.
116th on the east side is the only place where you can see crackheads actively dancing at like 5 a.m. Mm-hmm. Shout out to y'all be out there active, man.
Well, I mean, if you're a crackhead, do you really have a use for a clock?
Nah, you don't. Every day's your birthday.
Someone asks you what time it is, you say it's crack o'clock.
Crack o'clock.
It's crack o'clock. 1, 2, 3 o'clock. Crack o'clock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock. Crack.
That's what they all sing on the train, though. They love that shit. Yeah. Oh my god.
I mean, it's not funny.
That's not.
But
addiction is no joke.
It's what? It's no joke?
Addiction is no
addiction,
joke.
yeah.
Shout out to addiction.
Shout out to addiction.
We all have our addictions.
We all addicted to stuff. You're addicted to Kit Kats and stuff.
That's right.
I'm addicted to sneakers.
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to
I'm addicted to uplifting vines. And
That's
you know
right.
what? You know what? You can't use. You know why erasers don't work on your heart?
Because you can't choose who you love.
Flip.
Eraser flip.
Hit that fucking vibe.
Damn.
Oh,
Damn.
I hope that's in your minds right now. Just everything ruined.
Ruined your whole day.
Your whole day.
Holla. And if you didn't, go look it up.
Did you see that Swiss Beats? He had that
That's
big
right.
thing
No
in
commission.
the Bronx, the no commission thing.
Shout out to Jasmine, put me onto that.
Problematic.
Yeah,
Problematic
what
as fuck.
What happened?
Well, the no commission thing, it took place on property owned by the people who threw that fucked up Bronx party a couple months ago where they were burning cars and they had the trash barrels and shit.
Is it the same promoters?
Same
People?
property owners and shit. So basically, and then so like all the activists were saying, yo, we was trying to get him out the paint. He just used Swiss Beats to get in good with the community. And now mad people came to the Bronx for this shit. That shit does not benefit. And here's the kicker.
But I thought the shit went to. Am I bugging? I thought all the proceeds and shit went to Bronx schools.
They worked out something where the proceeds are going to some sort of charity or something. Yeah. But the kicker is that property that they're making, 1-bedroom apartments are going to be $3,000 a month.
Fuck out of here. You're bugging.
Piano Factory B. Gentrification of the Bronx is happening. Protect the Bronx at all costs.
Yo, if you see me out there, salute. Also, don't move there. If you no way.
But I mean, if they have it there and you can afford to move there.
If you're a Bronxite, listen, move there if you are from the Bronx and you are well off.
Who from the Bronx is well off? There's 5 rich people in the Bronx. J-Lo, French Montana.
Imagine they all moved into that building.
You and A-Rod.
That's true. Imagine we all moved into that building though and became like the Bronx Justice League.
No, that wouldn't be cool.
And fought crime. Well, not crime, but like help you know what I'm saying?
Community?
Yeah, not fight crime, but just make it so that's like there's no hot bags out there so people don't OD.
Oh, so
and like
we stop people like stop.
Yeah, yo,
that's bad dope.
Yo, that's bad dope.
Oh,
this is a good bag. Julio got the raw down the block.
Like we stop people before they go into the when they respond to Craigslist ads.
Exactly.
Like before, if we know there's like cops.
That's
not
her.
That's not her.
That's a cop.
Turn around.
Go to the other side. Yo, go on back page. Here's a link. You know what I'm saying? Yo, she's not a clock watcher.
Yo.
Shout out to all the sex workers out there. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to all the sex workers out there.
This is a sex positive show.
Yes, it.
And if you are
keep posting the ad 5 times an hour. You know what I'm saying? And report those other chicks that you don't like. Report their ads. Keep flagging them.
Yo, fuck that bitch. She's whack.
She's whack.
Flag.
Flag
her.
her.
Flag her.
Flag her.
Yes. Flag her. Yes.
It's the same gators with the eyelashes. Flag her.
Yes.
Oh shit.
Damn. Niggas. Oh, man.
Yo, shout out to your man Cam Newton.
Yeah.
Shout out to Cam Newton. Killer Cam. Killer Cam.
He also said problematic shit. He's like, yo, I don't see racism. I don't see it.
Racism is not a problem.
I'm trying to go to Nike.
Yo, listen. Look at my Blanche Devereaux pants. Oh man.
See, this is what happens. But then in the Super Bowl, he said, I'm an African American quarterback. Mm-hmm. And that scares people or some shit like I don't want to misquote him, but he said something along those lines.
We was riding for you, Cam.
You know what I'm saying? We was with you.
All season when people was like, he's a thug.
Yeah.
Because he was dabbing.
Yeah. He's a thug because he wears his uniform to a press conference.
You know?
They put that picture of him and Peyton Manning next to each other, and Peyton Manning had on like a suit.
Yep.
And he had on like Carolina Panthers attire.
Right.
And they were like, this is why who's a thug, blah, blah, blah. He's a thug because he's wearing team uniform?
Doesn't matter now.
Fucking worms.
Doesn't matter now because it's quiet for you, Killer Cam.
Damn, dog.
Now you're not even gonna Killer Cam. You just back to Cameron Newton. Cameron Newton.
Yeah, nah, if you saw that on
he can't ride with you.
Yeah.
And the reporter was like trying to give him a way out. He was like, nope.
Yeah, he said, no. He's like, no, for real. He doubled down. He's like, no, for real.
I feel some kind of way calling him out for this because I know I'm going to be doing this next year. Okay. But right now, I can. You know,
that's what I'm saying. Like I said earlier, we own our mistakes.
We own our mistakes. Listen, we're all riding our own horse.
That's right.
Okay.
Exactly. Niggas so smack last time that shit made perfect sense. He's like, yo, word.
We are all riding our own horse, and God is working on all of us, truly and surely.
You know what I'm saying?
You know, we're just out here trying to be good people.
Get ready for that.
So when Desus is like, yo, all lives matter, and I'll be like, let's wait to hear all the facts of this police shooting.
Yeah.
You know, why didn't he just follow the instructions?
All you have to do is listen to police,
All you have to do is listen.
That's it.
You know, if you run, you get shot. It's that simple.
It's that simple, bro.
It's that simple.
Maybe if you weren't committing crimes.
Okay. Get off welfare. Pull yourself up by your bootstraps. Maybe if more black families got married and the father was in their life.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe you should stay with your kids, bro. Maybe if you had a dad.
You know, all these feminists are turning a little black men gay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Emasculating, feminizing.
Problematic interview for GQ with Jesus Nice.
The pull quote is like, yo, why y'all making my little niggas sissies? It's like the walk out was like, yo, what the fuck?
And everyone's going to be like, no, he got misquoted. And then people going to be like, no. And they're going to do like the cut and paste of my whole text. And people going to be like, yikes.
Yo.
You know you fucked up? When all people can say in response to what you did is yikes.
Yo.
Or like the eyeballs.
Whoa.
Right? So shout out to my man Nate Parker.
Yo,
who needs to maybe just be quiet.
Yeah, just chill.
Just chill.
Let the movie come out.
We don't even want to talk about that subject.
You know what I'm
but
saying?
He did not help himself this week at all.
No.
Like
I said, young skirt loader.
Okay, skirt out of there.
Skirt out of there.
All right, niggas was like, yo, sir, you have 19. You sure you want to hit?
Yo,
and he was like, yo, cut those cards, nigga.
Let's do it.
Even Jordan was like, Jordan pulled out the cigar, like, I wouldn't do that.
Cigar smokes up.
Nah, man, that shit is wild.
He's wild.
What's also wild is people. There's a conspiracy that people don't want people to find out the story of Nat Turner.
Right.
Because the only way anyone would ever find out about Nat Turner was through the movie. Because there was never a book or anything made. Or Google.
Listen, the story's out there.
It's out there.
You can find it. You know what I'm saying? I understand, like, from the perspective of, like, yo, because, listen, white people, I love y'all. A lot of y'all don't want to learn. You know what I'm saying? And the only way that they will learn is by having shit forced in their face.
But I don't think the casual white person was going to go see a Nat Turner movie.
No, definitely not.
Like on a Friday night on a day. Hey, Bianca, let's go to the movies.
Let's go see. What are we gonna see here?
I went and got tickets on Fandango. I love their little ad they have with the paper bags.
Love it.
Okay, I had it.
Let's see. Here's walking with a shorty looking at the posters.
Birth of a Nation.
Oh,
that sounds about American history.
Oh, wait a minute.
That sounds great. All right, look, was that a black man? I'm sure they're taking out of context.
Yeah. Let's check it out.
All right.
Half an hour later,
he's like, my God. Oh my God. That's the 11th white person they've killed.
Jared, Jared, do you want to get out of here?
I don't want to stand up and make a scene.
Jared, we can still.
There's a black person on the end of each of the row.
What if? Can we wait until like they get into like a dark tunnel? I know they go on the Underground Railroad, right? Oh, it's dark.
I'm scared. So it's like, yo, shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up, yo, niggas talking about a fucking movie, nigga.
Yo, y'all white niggas doing shut the fuck up.
Yo, shut the fuck up. I'll fuck y'all niggas up.
Sorry.
The fuck?
I'm sorry.
The fuck? Fucking bitch look like Taylor Swift, man. The fuck up.
Excuse you. Excuse you.
That's what the world star video. That's when niggas pull the cameras out.
Excuse you. Everyone's like,
I was told by Apple Care.
And then someone wakes up like, yo, what happened? What I missed? What I missed in the movie? Yo, that Nat Turner? Is that Nat Turner?
Yo.
Is that Nat Turner? Niggas don't know. No, shout out to me because literally up until maybe Wednesday, I did not know that Nate Parker was the director and he was Nat Turner in that movie.
I had no idea.
I didn't know he was doing double duty.
No.
I was like, wow.
Can you
get 2 checks?
Did
Is
he
that legal?
produce and act and everything?
Listen, maybe that's the wave I should get on.
He knew things.
Oh, Jesus. Stop, Mero.
He knew the shit was
I'm tapping my heels together. There's no place like home.
That motherfucker knew.
Mero, be quiet.
That
Mero, be
motherfucker
quiet.
knew shit was about to hit the fan.
Mero.
He's like, I gotta cash out.
Mero. Mero, I need you to stop right now.
Yo,
Mero.
you fucked up.
You're shooting for 70, right? 40's allowable, 70. Like,
yo,
you're chucking the ball up like you don't know how to use the controller. Like, don't do this.
Yo, that dude is wild, man. Yo, y'all, the whole situation is crazy, man. Let's get out of here.
Crazy is an ableist slur.
It is.
Come on, Mero, is God not working on you?
God's working on me, man.
Oh, man.
But I just rolled the L in the Dutch. I haven't smoked the Dutch in a while. That tobacco paper's poison.
Yeah, it's true. It is poison. It is poison.
White cheese is poison.
You know who else is poison? Ellen DeGeneres.
What?
Right?
Yo, that's right. That was my problematic. Oh, but I thought that was just a poster for Driving Miss Daisy Part 2.
Woo!
The sequel.
Hey. Now, like, she was like, okay, first of all, we know she does not run her own Twitter account. Let's cut the bullshit, guys.
Give me a break.
Like,
Nobody that makes over $1 million runs with a Twitter account.
The idea of Ellen on her couch with, like, a fucking tablet.
Getting these tweets off?
Photoshopping this image before posting it.
Come on.
But basically, she posted a picture of her riding a black man.
Yeah.
Like a beast of burden.
Damn.
Like a donkey. A burro. A car.
You would expect Ellen
a charger
DeGeneres,
if you're an army husband.
Yeah. Damn, shout out to army husbands. You could tell that for somebody that's so public, she's like the white Oprah, B.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, why are you don't got media training, fam? Like, you don't know
but
that was going to be a problem?
If you're in a room full of white people, no white person would see that as problematic.
Wow.
No, but people, and then when people pointed out that there is a history of white people physically riding black people.
Yeah. Wow.
And that's why you have to have like diversity in writers' rooms and shit.
Yeah,
you basically need someone to be like, yo, that's fucked up.
That's crazy.
You need somebody on staff to be like, yo, that's fucked up. Just a guy to just sit there and be like, yo, that's fucked up.
If he would have had one black dude, he would have walked in there, seen that show on the computer, and be like, yo,
what the fuck?
The fuck is that, my
nigga? Yo, that's fucked
Jared,
up. Yo, that's fucked up.
You did this shit?
If you had a that's fucked up guy when they day one of like the casting of fucking the fucking Nat Turner movie, motherfucker would be like, yo,
Nate, fam, you gotta take a seat.
That's
for this
fucked up.
one, dog.
Like,
Let's
no,
get
he
Chris
would have went
Rock
to the
or some
movie
shit.
company like, nah, that's fucked up. All right, all this shit. That's what you need. You need a that's fucked up guy.
That's fucked up. That we offer our services as that's fucked up guys. We about to be too popular. You either got like 6 months, maybe.
Maybe.
You know what I'm saying?
You feeling lucky.
You feel lucky because I heard you niggas.
After that, the numbers changing.
You know what I'm saying? I heard the bleep last week.
No more Gmails for us.
That's right.
Switching to straight rocket mail. I don't know.
I don't know.
What's the most popping email?
Is Illuminati mail? What's the Illuminati mail? What do they got?
Oh,
their own type of
we
sidekicks?
just transfer messages using our brain. That's what Taylor Swift told me.
You know what I'm saying?
Would I lose fans if I dated Taylor Swift?
Maybe, but if you did it in the Nick Young way, where you're being wild disrespectful the whole time, I think niggas will fuck with it.
All right.
Like I think if you
like
just
if I had like on a Snapchat, and I just had like sitting on a crate in front of a bodega by Eating World Projects,
straight up,
and she's like, I want to get out of here, and I'm smoking the wild loose Dutch, just some dirty tips, like shut the fuck up.
You ain't gonna know it till you off this pack.
Yo, Tramel, check this chick out.
Yo, Taylor,
this chick got mad awards. Yo, this chick got mad awards for treating her like a skio.
Yo, Tramel, slapbox Taylor Swift, yo.
I'm like, yo, I'm mad thirsty. She's like, there's beer in my car. I'm like, yo, go buy me a beer. Got to shake Taylor Swift up in front of the bodega. Like, girls like, stop.
No. Papi, she said, check it out.
I tell you again.
Ah, she said, check it out, but not like that, papi. It's funny. I say funny, right?
Oh, wow.
El morenito, él me quiere mucho, morenito. Sí.
Come from behind the counters, dancing with her, touching her butt.
Mami, oh my God, baby, your back is longer than novelas, mami. Oh my God, you have no ass, mami. This, what you doing with this bitch? Hey, she got no chick, man.
Hey, listen.
Mami, yo te mando pa Santo Domingo. Te pongo linda.
She got the $2.75 for the Becks, Poppy. You know you broke when your girl got to buy you beer.
Oh, God.
Listen, shout out to all the scumbags out there.
Damn.
Scumbags.
Shout out to my scumbags that send their girl to go get their Dutch.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you the worst.
You're the
she
worst.
got to go out there in the pajama pants.
Talk about bring my change back. Mm-hmm. Don't be buying Laffy Taffies with my shit. I got to buy a Metro card. Single ride.
Shout out to everybody who's in a wild hood relationship and you got the unlimited Metro card. So you go and you swipe your boo through and you got to wait how many minutes is it?
I think it's half an hour.
Is it half an hour?
It's 22 minutes.
Is it 22?
I know that because I'm a true New York City 5-borough scumbag.
I used to know that. I used to live that life.
Yep. Wow. 22 minutes. I remember,
it's like 10 wins. You give them 22 minutes. We'll give you the world. Today in New York City, the Zika virus has killed 35 people. And later on, we'll talk about the best watermelon recipes in Scarsdale. But first,
Joe Sobo with the weather.
1877 cars for kids.
1877 cars for kids. Yo, that's the most annoying.
You gotta hear
ever.
that shit once.
It's like an
it's
earworm.
in your head forever, all fucking day. You people don't know what that is? Go Google it.
Yeah,
Google that.
Or don't. That shit is like the ring tape. If you never heard that shit, don't try. Don't do it.
Google it, and then when you're done with it, go sexo.
Give me the resto.
Shout out to Bodega Boys taking over those comments.
Yo,
and taking over. Shout out to Hype
You
Beast.
know what I'm saying?
Hype Beast said we have a popping podcast that you must know, and they use our beautiful faces as the actual image in the tweet. So shout out to Hype Beast out there. Shout out to all the podcasts. It's The Real, Tax Stone, Combat Jack, The Read.
True.
Friends with Asante, Church.
What? The Friend Zone, right?
Friend Zone, yes. Yep. Friend Zone. Premium Pete.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? All the Loudspeaker Network
Flash
joint.
Gang.
Fucking Church for the Wild. Well, everybody. Shout out to every podcast. Another round. Everyone doing their thing out there, man. Two dope queens. Right now, it's a great time to be in podcast.
Yo. It's very popular. It's like the renaissance of shit. It's like
we're having too much fun having podcasts, so you know, like something's gonna happen to make podcasts illegal, or the FCC is gonna be like, you have to pay $25,000 a year to have a podcast,
a license,
a podcast license. Let Donald Trump find out about podcasts.
They call him Mr. Brexit.
He's gonna call me Brexit.
He just keeps saying that. Why you keep saying that?
That's his. You know what it is? He wants that to be his drop. He wants that to be like, yo, when you hear Trump, you know, you'd be like, we got London on that track. Like, he wants to be like, yo,
call me Mr. Brexit.
Brexit.
Let me tell you something. When I get it popping, check it. Yo, when I get it popping in the streets, they call me Mr. Brexit. I'm huge in the streets, all day on the beats. You know what it is. Young Trumpy on the track.
Oh, God.
Mr. Brexit.
Mr. Brexit. Available now on iTunes.
Come on. You just said pulling up from 70 is not allowed.
Oh, Mr. Brexit. Yo, he woke up out of his bed early and tweeted that shit was fire. Now, I know sometimes I wake up and I know I got a fire tweet. Yeah. I'm not sending a fire tweet at 7 a.m.
No.
Because I want to have the full. You got to let it marinate. You want to have that full audience. So niggas could be like, yo. All right, you're not shooting a half-court jumper in an empty gym.
No.
All right?
At the end of the first quarter, you wait for the fourth quarter, 2 seconds left.
And your man woke up, scumbag, probably didn't even brush his teeth. Didn't put on his fucking wig
all fucked up
over his fucking jack-o'-lantern covered skin. And put out that tweet like, yo, this shit was fire. And everybody was like, yeah. He didn't have no one on staff to be like, yo, that shit was fucked up.
Dog, when I was a little kid, I went to a nursing home. This makes sense.
Okay.
I'm gonna land it.
All right.
The scariest shit ever is when you're a kid, though. Not now, because I'm older and I don't want to be problematic or ageist. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
When you're old, when you're a kid and you see old people, that shit scares you, nigga. Because you see old people before they put themselves together.
Right.
And before they put on the hair and the teeth and the clothes and cover it. Fam, when niggas went to a nursing home on a class trip, I made a wrong turn and went into a room where a dude was getting a bath. And my son looked like a corpse. And I will never forget that image. It's crazy and it's terrifying. Imagine with Donald Trump. But it's crazy in the not mentally ill, like lit way. Right?
Sure.
Why not?
You put up for 40.
You know what I'm saying? Who cares?
Who cares?
We're Smack City. I do what I want.
Yo, shout out to Bodega Boys.
Oh, shit.
We got a package here to the Bodega Boys
All the
from
niggas
Red
doing-
Bull Studios.
that's right.
220 West 18th Street.
Only niggas
From
doing audio unboxings.
Audio unboxing. These are big. We can start doing this on YouTube and make like $1 billion. We can make PewDiePie money.
Yeah.
Just from Scott Kelly in Ridgewood, New York.
Oh, shit.
All right. Scott, hopefully you did not send us anthrax
Or
like
an
several
explosive.
people. What if he killed us?
What if this explodes right now?
Oh,
And that's
shit.
the final episode.
The final episode. If
So
something
lit.
happens to us, Scott Kelly killed us.
Damn.
Damn.
He also killed wildlife, which means that y'all gonna be lacking a lot of fly music. So
All right. Dear Desus and Mero, keep doing what you do. Best of luck in all future brand strengthening activities. Scott, Instagram hero _ Brett.
Hey.
He sent us a, what is this?
What is this?
Oh, shit. I think it's a pan flute.
oh shit.
No, it is a,
hold on.
oh shit. It's a some sort of drawing.
Is this
a
the DeVry
poster.
diploma?
If this is a photo of his dick, I swear to God, I'll hunt you down and kill you.
I'll be so mad.
All right. Oh.
Oh shit.
Oh shit! It's a Mero. It's a made in NYC kind of Mero thing.
Okay.
That's dope. That's for you.
What is? Let me see.
Go read that. Is there one for Jesus? Apparently no. There's just one for Mero. Okay.
Really?
All right.
There was two rolls in there.
Interesting. No, there was one.
Oh shit. All
right. Well. Okay.
I see what this is.
That's all right. Shout out to all my ladies out there who are Jesus fans. Right?
Yo, this is the Esquimalito. For y'all that don't know that, you know what I'm saying? It's like y'all have these in Jamaica.
What
It's
is
like a little ice. It's like a little ice pop.
Yeah,
it's like
yeah.
in a little thing.
Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying?
That's cool.
Shout out to you, yo.
Shout
you know what I'm saying?
out to you. Which,
You know what I mean?
You know, you got time to make one for Mero.
Yo, that's fucked up. Send these or something, man.
That shit is fucked up.
We shouldn't now. I shouldn't say that because now somebody's gonna send some wild shit. Now somebody is gonna send a picture of their dick and be like, "Yo, this is for Jesus, yo, niggas want."
Nah, you know what the thing is? I feel like people
because
don't.
Bodega Hive low key is assholes.
They are assholes. They're lovable assholes.
Yeah,
though.
yeah.
They're like it's
They're
like those
nice-
Sour Patch Kids.
That's like us. Yeah,
You know?
exactly.
They're first they're sour, then they're sweet. First they say some fucked up shit to you on Twitter, and then they be like, "Yo, I can't believe you mentioned me." Shout out to Bodega Hive, you fucking scumbags.
Always in the yo Mero. Yo, I posted. Why did I post a picture of my fucking? Because like I said, it was my anniversary. I put on Instagram a picture of when we went. It's like some places have an elevator. We went in an elevator.
Right.
Every third comment, yo, your hairline's looking crazy, nigga. They got the Kobe fade, yo.
Listen.
But then I'm like, yo, why you slaying me? They're like, yo, I love you, bro.
See, that's what it is.
So,
niggas.
shout out to y'all.
It's like your little brother.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
straight up.
The hairline standard ain't gonna go away.
Yeah, fuck
I
it.
mean, fuck it.
Man, listen,
you gonna do?
we living our best life out here.
Living your best life.
You know what I'm saying?
Laugh through your bank account.
Yeah, that's it.
Be
My
like,
bank
yo.
account used to make me cry. Now it makes me chuckle. You know what I'm saying?
Laughing to the bank. Yeah, you can't get in your feelings about shit like that.
No way.
Listen, brand's too strong.
Bro,
Brand's too strong. We got the fan support, making big moves.
Damn, dog.
You know what I'm saying? I'm
so
about
crazy.
to buy Elephant Man's bones.
Shit's on my nissa. I was like, wait a minute, Elephant, he's still with us.
No, I'm paying no up front. I'm getting that Michael Jackson shit. Wait till I start doing this shit for the Leave Me Alone video. I live in a hyperbaric chamber and shit. I got Bubbles the monkey. I'm gonna be the new MJ. Wait till Jesus come through with vitiligo.
I can't wait. I'll be going to your crib with my kids and shit. I'm like, wait a minute, should I leave the kids at home?
Be like, nah, Mero, let them ride the Ferris wheel.
That's ignorant, Mero.
Mero, that's ignorant. Have you ever climbed trees? Leave me alone. Don't talk to me. Don't talk. Yeah. They'll be like, I'm coming to Red Bull Studios. Sam's gonna be like, why do you have on your pajamas and one glove? I'm doing the whole thing. I'm moonwalking through the fucking podcast. He's like, you're not by the mic.
I'm like, yo, I'm uncomfortable that you have your penis exposed to this. Yo, shout out to MJ, man, the greatest entertainer of all time.
No, that would be a Beyonce.
Okay, wait. We had this discussion. Let's
We had this discussion. She surpassed him in like sales or something this week.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Listen, Beyonce is a force to be reckoned with.
Beyonce.
Shout out to Beyonce's bodyguard, Julius, who there's like a picture of her.
That's a very bodyguard name.
There's a picture of her coming out the water, and all you see is his head behind her. Like she was swimming, and he was just like chilling.
Swimming behind her?
Swimming behind her.
Or just standing up in the water?
It's like out there. I think he used to be a Navy SEAL or some shit. Yo, shout out to that's it. Oh,
It's not a game.
it's not a wait. It's almost time for security guards, right?
Hope don't want to throw hands.
Yeah.
Jay
Jay got too much money to be fighting for
people.
Nah, that's when you got money.
Jay
Where
not
like
even
you don't have to
afford
worry
him.
about your wife or your child because you got some big bodyguard
Oh, man,
on
I can't
duty.
wait.
Like yo, and Jay got his private security guard who is former Navy SEAL and can kill you and like he could do that like touch you in your chest and your whole body explode shit.
Oh man, I can't wait.
But we don't have that. We have like
We got the fucking 40.
got the 40 cow. I got Jay Mills' old bodyguard, nigga. Come out 357 long.
In a way, our bodyguards are more dangerous than those guys.
Hell
Because
yeah.
our bodyguards are not really bodyguards. They're just unhinged dudes from East Fremont.
It is. I got my shooters.
Those are neck tattoos.
Listen, if you see an old Jamaican man with a marina walking like 4 steps behind me, don't approach like a bear at all.
No, don't approach at all.
All right? Trevor's not with the shits.
Nah.
Okay?
You know what I'm saying?
He had to walk 3 miles for clean water.
That's right.
You know?
He was original shower posse. You know what I'm saying?
By shower posse, I mean punching holes in the bottom of a compound bucket and hanging up in a tree.
Wheel up!
Fuck Wiz Khalifa!
Fuck Wiz Khalifa!
Yo, shout out to Bodega High for adopting that as your rallying cry.
Yo, listen, we shout out to Taylor Gang.
Gang.
Shout out to Taylor Gang. Shout out to Wiz Khalifa.
No, fuck Wiz Khalifa.
Fuck Wiz Khalifa!
Fuck Wiz Khalifa.
Yo,
That's why Amber Rose don't listen to this.
that nigga's just excuse me, ma'am?
What? Excuse me? What word did you just use?
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Are you black?
Didn't she say she wasn't? Wasn't she mad problematic when she said like, I'm not?
She's not black or something like that. I don't know. I don't keep track of shit.
Who cares?
You know,
This ain't E channel, nigga.
she almost caught the hands of the VMA. She don't want it.
She don't want these
She don't want
problems.
these problems. Shout out to Black China's pregnant with
Are you texting bitches or now?
wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Shout
out to anyone who's ever been on the other end of that argument.
Yo, listen, I tweeted this shit mad long ago, but it still holds true. If you see a dude walking down the street and he's holding his hat in his hand, shaking it vigorously and talking into his phone, but not holding it to his ear, he's talking to his baby mom.
Right.
Every time.
Shout to women who argue with men, but they don't hold the phone to their ear. They hold the phone in front of them.
their mouth, yep.
Because they're not trying to hear
They're
what the
not
fuck
trying to
you
hear
say.
your
They just want to
bullshit.
yell into
I'm
it.
not trying to hear your bullshit, Tramel.
All right, and they make a mad dramatic scene for everyone on the street, and now everybody knows your business. And why do people need to know that I lost my job 3 months ago, Tanisha? Like that's between me and you and your mother.
Well, I don't give a fuck because you ain't shit. You be coming up in here high every day. What's your resume?
You're not gonna talk to me like that.
What's your fucking resume? Are you stupid? I'll smack the shit out of you. I'll smack the shit out of you right here in Pathmark.
You're so lucky.
I'll smack the shit out of you right here in Pathmark. Tramel, I'm sorry. Hold on a second. Lil Tramel, sit down in the car right now. Sit down.
He out there because I talked to my son.
Shut the fuck up. You ain't shit. You lying. Where was you last night 3 a.m.? I called you.
I was at Salsa Con Fuego.
No, you was not, nigga.
I
You
was
was
out
at
there.
BBQs. It's different. No, you was not.
No.
You a fucking liar. Get the fuck out of here.
I can't see my son.
Fuck you. I'm marrying Russell Wilson.
Shout out to Sierra giving chicks hope.
You're not Sierra, man.
You're not
Sorry to tell you.
Is you not Sierra? It's not hard to not be Sierra.
I mean,
Sierra.
A lot of
You know what, Sierra?
all goodies are not created equal.
Listen.
If you can't do that Matrix shit.
That Matrix shit. Sierra been floating off that Matrix for like 7 years. I'm not being too dramatic. I just said it. And then she had some notes and it was like, whoa. You know, studio engineer was like, you want to try that again?
Yo. Nah, it's good. What you mean? That's got more rocket.
Then we were in the red there. We were hitting some high frequencies.
Duh. I didn't hear no feedback. We good.
Those aren't really audible notes. You sounded like a dolphin.
What's a dolphin?
Future just like, yeah.
What is the studio with you? Fucking shit with Sierra. What the fucking business?
Is he all right?
I'm going to get someone to I drink lean, and embarrassing.
Future should read nighttime
drink lean. It ain't embarrassing.
Sorry, we have different.
I just imagine him at like a baby shower, like you know what I'm
With
saying?
the wild cup, just like at a crystal
Straight out the bottle. Straight activist activated.
It might be embarrassing, sir. Just at his grandmother's funeral.
Ciara was like, "This is embarrassing."
Just switching the bottle in front of the casket. So he can put it on top of the casket and pours the red kid to the red cup.
Big Mama get out the casket like, "This shit is embarrassing, Future."
Who got some ice? Throw the money in the styrofoam. Like we have to make a list of where and when you can sip lean.
Yo,
all right.
Lean can be embarrassing some places.
Job interview.
That's
no,
embarrassing.
That's not a go. That's a dub.
No, that's
all right?
definitely a dub.
A concert like Roots Picnic. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Perhaps.
Lean. You can lean there.
In the neonatal unit. where you're visiting a premature baby.
Can't bring lean.
You can't be leaning against the glass. Sipping lean. No. You can't have the rubber glove for the incubator. Touching the preemie and drinking the lean.
Yo, baby feel crazy. Baby feel crazy.
I feel 56 preemies is crazy.
Look at the microphone. Babies are crazy. Babies are crazy. Babies are crazy.
Oh God!
I got the lean.
Then you just trip over the incubator plug on the way out.
Nigga, unlock this shit. Open the chamber. Fucking baby roll out. That shit's fucked up. Niggas like, see, I was like, yo, this shit is embarrassing, Future. I'm leaving you.
That was a Zika baby.
I'm gonna marry Alex Smith.
Oh shit. Russell Wilson just in the back, like, just waiting my turn.
Just
waiting my turn.
I mean, this is
a whole new world.
I mean, honestly, Sierra, if you were to look this up, this is the textbook definition of embarrassing. I mean,
can't wait to touch her goodies.
I'm gonna record our sex tape on my Microsoft Surface Pad. It's 1080p quality.
I just imagine Russell Wilson holding up my Surface while he's having sex with Sierra, like a big ass fucking pad.
Telling her the specs and shit. Like do you even know how many megahertz this has?
Yeah, I'm using the Wi-Fi mode. It's like the WHP encryption. It's the safest encryption. Oh wow.
Oh my God. It's Choja's fire.
Wow. Is that little Future at the door?
Little Future, go watch SpongeBob. Yo, shout out to Shorty. Damn, I don't even want to blow her up.
Ooh.
I'm not gonna say that. This Shorty, but yo, shout out to Young Ma.
You call her Jennifer?
Yo, I call her Jennifer.
It's hottest song in New York right now. If you don't know what song that is, yo, you gotta catch up.
Go catch up. Ooh. Yeah, but what Shorty said,
Terrio need to come out like, yo, you stole my shit.
Yo.
Shout out to Terrio if you're still with us.
We keeping the name alive.
We keeping his name alive.
Shout out to him. We should pay homage. Terrio, holla at us. You know where we at. 220 West 18th Street. You know what I'm saying? It's lit. Yeah. This nigga just got a text that he just made that I smelled a bum shit face.
All right, let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving, people. What you doing, man? What you doing, man? You're too close. Mero's out here about to fall off the fucking... This is what happens when you discontinue Orange Red Bull.
I'm drinking rum on Red Bull.
Oh, man.
Oh, it's a lot of shit.
Oh,
it's a lot of shit.
You out here speeding, dog.
Fam.
Yo, you saw Drake brought out Eminem?
Yo. Defusing all rumors started by Ebro Light Skin Demon.
Ebro. It's like a cartoon. Yeah. Someone has with their hands on their hips, like Ebro. And Ebro looks back to the camera and winks, like, ding. And you do like the circle gets smaller.
Blame Ebro.
Everybody hates Ebro.
Yeah.
Shout out to Ebro though.
Shout out to Ebro.
Shout out to Hot 97, everybody over there.
Yeah.
Y'all doing what you doing for the culture.
Yo, call them niggas up and be like, yo, what's good?
What are you? Are you all right over there?
Yo, get out of here. Get him out of here. Yo, call us up.
Oh wow.
Oh man, Ryan Lochte, what a snitch. Those two dudes are gonna flip on him. I can't.
Right away, they right off the rip.
Can't wait.
Because you know, going to jail is one thing. Going to jail in a foreign country, no.
Yeah, I'd seen that Claire Danes movie where she was crying every 2 minutes.
Oh, what was that? That was like, oh shit, that was
Broke Down Palace
or some shit like that.
Oh shit,
Claire
got on the first try.
All right, okay. Claire Danes movie, Prison.
Yeah.
All right. It's Broke Down Palace. Shout out to you.
Hey,
1999 American drama film.
Hey,
that was the one where they went to Thailand and like they tried to come back with the
dope.
The dope.
They trying to come back with the boy.
Things was like no. Oh no.
Manny Pacquiao was like, no, you're going to jail. You're going to jail in Philippines. Was it Philippines? Oh no, it's Thailand. I can make fun of Manny Pacquiao because he's a wild scumbag. You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
he was like, yo, gay people are animals and shit, so I can make fun of him.
Has no one ever stopped and been like, yo, like, do you not watch like National Geographic Locked Up Abroad? Like that shit will keep you from doing some dumb shit.
Yo, right? And it's always wild dramatic, and it's always some dumbass white dude who's like, yo, I put on a wig, I try to go to the airport, but I forgot to shave my beard.
Yeah.
He saw my 5 o'clock shadow, and that's how I got kidnapped in Zimbabwe. Like, what, bro?
No, there's one episode where it's like, it's a lesbian couple, black lesbian couple, and I forgot where they were coming back from with the dope, and they both got caught. And like they just casually was like 17 years later, because I got like 17 years or some shit like that.
What?
I was like, what? what?
That's not you don't just cut to that.
They did the Seinfeld yada yada yada. Like nah, like let me know what he was doing.
I went to jail, yada yada yada.
It was
17 years later.
that might not have been 17 years. I think that was the guy that he was taking opium from Thailand or some shit. But he had a cast on his leg, so he was like break the cast and put like the opium in there and shit. So he got caught and did like a quick 17. His father came and visited. He was a white kid, but like his life was ruined.
How
and
you
was,
put dope? See,
and he was like 60 at the end of the interview, and he started crying about thinking about the disappointment he caused his parents. Think about that. Damn.
That shit will kill me, man. Every time, see, that's why I'm glad I never did extend the jail time.
Right.
Really, just a little, you know what I'm saying?
Little skid bits. You know what I'm saying?
Because
little refreshers, a little bullpen therapy.
Oh my God, my mom would have been like, "Yo, you ain't shit." Just to look, she wouldn't even have said it. She would have just looked at me like, "Yo, you're fucking trash, bro," and I would have had to admit it. I would have had to own it.
Nah, I would have been like, nah, you don't know the whole story. The only thing is, you get locked up, you can't be like, yeah, I did it. You gotta still be like, nah, I'm innocent. Fuck it, if I'm gonna do 3 years, like
innocent.
I'll be like, yo, I'm innocent. Like, at least, you know, like, clog up the court system with some appeals and shit.
You know what I'm saying?
I got nothing else going on.
Get your lawyers.
If you locked up, going to court is like fun. It's like a day trip.
Yeah.
Go outside, get in the van.
It's literally a field trip.
It's literally a field trip. Yeah, you got the shackles on, but you be outside for a minute.
Outside. The air smell different.
You know, see some grass, maybe
Smells
see a cow.
less jail-y.
Yeah. So I smell that beautiful mix of jail smell of balls, underarm deodorant, masturbation, testosterone, and sweat.
And onions.
All right, everyone that's shout out to all my girls out there. You and your boo comes home from bookings, they got that smell, and you make them get naked in the hallway so you don't get bed bugs. Ugh, that smell.
You put all your clothes in a fucking Pathmark bag.
Take the hottest shower ever. Then you take a shit because you've been locked up for 3 days. Then you
Depending on how much you like the clothes or not, you get rid of it or not. You know what I'm saying? Like,
also, you can't wear, if you've been locked up in clothes, you can't, it's bad luck to wear that clothes again. After you get arrested in that clothes.
For sure.
You got to get rid of it.
That's like number one hood rule. You cannot do a crime in that same outfit ever again. You got to live the straight and narrow. If you're going to put on that Bugs Bunny with the backwards hat shirt again, fam, you cannot sell trade bags on Creston. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be.
That's one to know on. That's what we're going to teach people in the BX Academy. That's what we're going to teach kids. Like, people are going to like, what do you teach your kids? Like, I'll be like, yo, this is how you, if you are a Moreno, and you got weed in your butt, but across the cell, you got Spanish people, and they got matches. Now, you got to find out, you know, you want to say Dame and Fuego. All right. Right? Is that?
Mister, this is going to be on the test?
It might be Tramel. So that's questions to ask. Now, if you scrape the lint off your socks and roll it up, you can use that as a match and light that off the halogen lights on the top of the cell. So now you can have a new way to roll up and smoke weed.
Oh, shit. Yo, but does that shit have asbestos?
Don't worry about that because you're breathing it in at school.
Oh, okay.
So you're cool.
Dope.
Okay?
Yo, man, this is great. Yeah. I'm so smart now.
Okay. Ding, ding. Problematic interview. Jesus Nice's Academy for the BXN Academy. Apparently they're doing fight clubs. They're letting toddlers fight each other in the back of PS87. Let's have a video of me. I got like a cigar and mad money coming out of a hat. Like, fuck him up, Marcy.
Fuck him up.
Fuck him up.
Fuck him up. Yo, get his eyes. Get his eyes.
Gouge him out. I'm not driving you home. Fuck him up. Little kids beating each other with Tonka trucks.
Damn. Nah, stop.
I'm putting it on YouTube.
Oh,
putting on World Star, but I'm doing the wild dramatic cut so you don't feel bad about it. You're like, yo, the production quality on this is good.
It's so good.
It's problematic though.
Yo, did they use the drone for this shot?
Oh wow, I think they did.
Damn.
Shit, I have like Sharpies written on the kids. I'm like, people buying sponsors and shit. Kaz bought an ad for like Henny Palooza on a three-year-old. She was like, shout out to Kaz. Henny Palooza coming up.
Yo, gang.
Shout out to Clarence. We got the yacht shit.
That's right.
Yacht shit back. September 10th, the Versus Party.
Call us little yachties.
Okay, we back.
You know
Bodega Boys in the building.
That's right.
Do all the drugs you want when that smoke blows.
When you hear bong.
It's time to go. No, we're kidding. Allegedly. Nah, it's gonna be lit. It's got a good lineup.
That's right.
It's gonna be lit.
Oh man, can't wait.
How many boats you been on this summer? Come on, you gotta make it happen.
Right. Yeah.
It's the end of the summer.
You almost did a whole summer without going on a yacht.
Listen, we had a big summer. Big things are going.
Big things are going.
And now,
you gotta do
you know,
it. That's gonna be the wrap up.
You gotta, because you gotta go back to reality. Back to life.
Man,
back to reality.
I was wanting to Eminem.
Yeah, I don't. That's not it. School's coming back. You gotta go back to taking your job seriously because you don't take your job seriously in the summer. But when it gets cold, then you start.
Then
you're like, all right, maybe I'll buckle down, get this promotion.
This is the other place that I be at that's warm.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna make sure that I stay there so I can stay more warm. You know what I'm saying?
Get to work early and shit.
exactly,
You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
Actually go to meetings.
Yeah.
You're not doing that shit in the summertime.
Nah. What?
In the summertime.
Summertime, you be like, yo, let's go out to lunch.
Yo,
and they just be
very
like,
easily.
Yeah, like,
very easy. Just
yo,
don't show up to work and
fuck
shit.
it, man. Let's just bounce.
Or you be at work and you don't even think about work. You're just like looking at your pictures from the weekend and shit. Like, yo, oh shit, remember I was on the beach. Look, girl, look how my titties was sitting up in this photo.
Damn, that shit was
even
mad
get
fun.
I didn't even get to post this thirst strap.
Yo, let's go to Miami again. All 8 of us in one room.
Oh my god, let's go to McCarran Roof.
Let's do go for me. Niggas, let's do go to McCarran Roof. Sexy. Shout out to all the rooftop pools that y'all be at.
Yeah, we be
You know
out
what I'm
here.
saying?
We be out here, and I never get wet. Pause. No pause. No more pause. But yeah, no, I'm always at the. I'm at the bar.
Oh.
I mean, like, we don't have nothing nice like that in the Bronx.
That's
Which is sad because if you
We
think
need a
about it,
rooftop
if I was to like buy into the gentrification of the Bronx, I can have all that fly shit in the Bronx, but I don't want the Bronx to suffer.
Yeah, that's true.
Because once that rent goes $3,000, you know where I live, that's just gonna go up.
How do we
You
gentrify
can't-
the Bronx without gentrifying it?
The
How
only
do
way
we-
that you can't gentrify the Bronx
How
without
do we
gentrifying it.
fortify the Bronx?
You'd
But,
have to like
and give
embrace
people-
the people who are here already,
Yeah.
and a lot of the people that are here already are like scumbags. So, listen, I love the Bronx, but we all know it.
Yeah, we out here trying to survive, B. But that's just a function of y'all know. Yeah, if y'all seen the Get Down, the show on Netflix, y'all see what it's like in the Bronx in the '70s was wild. Everything was burning down.
Did you watch it?
No, I didn't.
I didn't watch it either.
I didn't watch it yet. But
I'm
watching.
boycotting because I wasn't in it. But I
No,
don't
we gotta
know.
be in it. We
People
gotta
are
be in
either
it.
saying it's great or it's terrible. There's
I mean,
no
it
in
depends on
between.
what it. But listen, we work in showbiz now, so we watch things differently. I
True.
just sounded tremendously
That
gassed.
sounded mad
Sorry,
gas, but it was all facts.
But it was all facts.
Straight facts. B.
So now niggas watching shit
straight
differently.
facts, like a New York girl hitting an orgasm.
You know what I mean? Straight
Straight
facts.
facts, nigga.
That's right.
Straight facts,
You know
nigga.
what I
Oh,
mean?
facts. These got my leg trembling, my nigga.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Shorty made me weak when she deep throw.
I had questions on that. I was like, what? I was like, what?
The Nick Young, I turned
I was
to Nick Young.
what?
I'm like, what?
Deep throat the what? Let me find out Yo Ma coming out with a line of straps.
Yeah, silent straps. Shout out to all my what is the non-problematic term? Like
Studs?
Studs. Yeah, that's what it is. Shout out to all
What
my
were you
studs.
about to say?
No. Because shorties be calling each other butch, but that's not like.
Yeah, that's like-
it's like a white
That's
term.
I think it might be. Is that like a white term?
It sounds like kind of whitish.
Yeah. Studs is cool.
But it's crazy because the studs that I know don't call each other studs. They just be like, yo, my nigga.
Yeah, my nigga.
You
Yeah.
know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
I'm like, yo, I was going to say shout out to all my niggas out there.
The shit is what it is.
You know what I mean?
Niggas in the hood got limited vocabulary, so we're
Yeah.
not trying to like learn.
That's
like
so
you can't
crazy.
go. I can't go in my barbershop and be like, "Yo, this nigga's cisgender."
Yeah.
Right? Like niggas go, everyone you go hear like the record
No.
scratch.
That's
like,
my
what?
son. That's my son. Yeah. He's gender fluid. You know what I'm saying?
You be like, "What?"
Yeah, like what?
I be like, "What the fuck you saying? The fuck is that? That
That's
nigga
my
sick?"
nigga.
But so that's why
nigga
people in the
got
hood.
Zika?
Yo, I was in the barbershop for the like a track and field event, and one of the female runners had the Muslim
The hijab.
hijab, the special one for running. No one in the bar, because I go to like a wild hood barbershop
Yeah,
now,
yeah.
so no one had seen that before.
Yeah.
So they was like, "Yo, what the fuck, yo? She wild and she gonna run with that Muslim shit on." I was like, wow. There's no problematic like in that barbershop, but this show because all they do in there is try to out jail story niggas.
Oh,
They be
yeah.
like, "Yeah, I stabbed up 4 niggas when I was up top." That's nothing, nigga. I was getting my dicks up top. Nah, nigga, I ran the milk machine. And shit.
Stupid nigga.
I'm just like, I just want to get my hair cut.
Come on, man. Niggas had 200 onion soups on deck.
But
nigga.
then my man was like, yo, I just keep onion soups in my foreskin. So my man was like, yo, you can't run with that shit on. Like, that shit's gonna slow you down. And I wanted to come in with the wall. Actually, like, no, they make like
They make racing ones.
Yeah, it's like they're
Sir.
aerodynamic. But you know, like in a barbershop, you just gotta let the loudest nigga rock.
Yeah. That's really it's decibel based.
It's basically you say it with your chest.
Yeah,
I gotta let you say it with your chest. So
not
basically,
meritocracy.
I'm like, all right, watch this dumb nigga find out. Watch this girl flame all of them.
Yeah.
So the race starts. Nah,
Shorty got
Shorty was
bamboozled.
dead last. Dead
Told
last.
y'all niggas.
Everybody told y'all niggas.
It's like a parachute,
Why they letting
nigga.
them run with that Muhammad
Nah, I
shit?
mean-
I was like, whoa, y'all just make it up
Damn,
and
nigga
shit.
said that nigga
I
some
was like,
Muhammad shit.
wasn't y'all just in jail? Don't y'all know about Muslims?
I thought you came back Muslim, fam. What
I was like,
happened?
that's why I like my barber. He don't speak no English.
Oh,
And like he's like the back or
yeah,
these.
see, papi, you want
Do
a
you want square or round?
round?
Round.
Round?
Right. And I've always be like, what you did last week? He's like, okay.
¿Qué? Last week. Zika. No, papi, yo no tengo Zika. No. Yo estoy
man.
cortando pelo, papi.
Shout out to my man.
Yeah.
And he wears those
That's
he wears
the
the
drawback.
surgical gloves.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
He don't play
He's
around.
not fucking
Bobby's
around.
not playing around. Speaking of studs, is the barber next to us is a stud.
Shout out there.
Shout out to her.
You know what I'm saying?
She has a baby photo. I'm asking questions.
She has a wait. Oh, like of her as a baby or of like her baby?
Of her and a baby.
Oh, her and a baby. All right. Hey.
Listen, we're all
Okay.
right. God's working on it. We're all riding on horses.
But yo, listen, a lot of my studs in the hood, listen, y'all be falling prey victim to the blockheads. Shorty fuck every nigga in the hood and they want to lay up with you. Don't let her do it. Vet them. You know what I'm saying? Donald Trump wants to vet immigrants. Vet Shorty, B. You know what I'm saying? Don't let her get on your flex payment insurance without making sure that she's for you. You know what I mean? And she's not just done fucking with Tramel and them.
Hey,
You know what
shout
I'm
out
saying?
to
That's more Be Excellent Academy knowledge.
more. Yes,
You know what I'm saying?
we're gonna teach people.
That's right.
And don't trust a stud 101. Is that the name of the class?
Studs, be careful.
Oh,
101.
studs, be careful.
Yeah.
Oh, I got you. I
'cause the
got
studs,
you.
You know what I'm
Yes.
saying? Because
Yes.
Shorty fuck the whole hood, have 10 kids with 10 dudes in the hood.
And then fuck with and then fuck
the
it up.
stud.
Yeah.
Because the stud got a
you.
good job
Yeah,
and she got
yeah.
insurance. Yo, let me
Yeah.
marry Shorty
Yeah.
and G off. She's not gonna punch me in my head.
Yeah.
Like, listen, I see Shorty's arguing on the 9 bus, spam, and it broke my heart.
Shout out to the 9 bus.
Yeah.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Damn, I don't ever want to ride that shit again.
No,
Never.
I threw up on the back of that shit once,
Nigga,
and I was like, never.
I'll jump in front of that shit. Oh man.
I jumped for that shit fucking hard.
Never did. So everyone's like, yo, shout out to Desus Mero remembering their broke days. Remember it? Nigga, I wake up in a cold sweat every night. Like,
Still
yo.
living there.
God damn.
Yo, I love a nigga see me on trip and be like, yo, you out here? I'm like, yes.
Yes.
I still reside here.
This is my house. This is where I live. All right? Fuck around with the fuck around.
Yeah.
Guess you just saw me cop mad fucking dirty weed on White Plains Road in a hand-to-hand car transaction. Okay? In front of a surveillance camera, like, I don't give a fuck.
No fucks. The tower's right there. Ask me if I give a
I
fuck.
don't really give a fuck.
Don't get.
Niggas like, ain't you on TV? I'm like, not right now,
Not
my
right
nigga.
now. I'm not a TV nigga. I'm just a nigga that's on TV.
All right.
Understand? It's a difference. That's how the mad like Funk Flexi and. Speaking of Funk Flex being a burger and
Quick question.
Beef, yeah.
Oh, what you about to say for Master Flex?
He's losing me.
One burger?
He's
Is he still beefing with Drake?
I don't know what he's doing, man. But you beefing with Hov, you beefing with Drake. I'm tired.
Damn.
Tired.
Tired?
Tired.
Tired, fed up?
Tired, fed up.
Prodigy versus Jadakiss. Who has more legendary bars? I saw this on Twitter yesterday.
Ooh, damn, that's the barbershop conversation. If I ever heard one.
No, because at my barbershop, someone would be like, Travis Scott,
nigga.
Travis Scott got Drake. What?
Travis Scott got bars.
Because you got people who's like 35 and up.
Yeah.
And their idea was like spitting, and you got like the young heads.
Yeah. 20-year-old nigga coming in with some fake bomb injuries.
Yo, Little Yachty will wash all of them.
No, it's lit. It's lit. Fuck out of here. But yeah, I think Prodigy did more for the culture impactfully.
Right.
But Jadakiss got a
got
lot of
better
like,
bars.
yo.
He got shit that's like, yo.
I'm in the hood like Chinese wings. Hater shaking like a Holly holding the torch. Matt, yo, come on. My bathtub lift up, my walls do 360. I don't even know what that means, and that shit is fire.
You got the shit with the government guy.
Yeah.
That's the graduation song for the BX of the Academy.
That's
We
right.
gonna make it.
We gonna make it.
So these little kids, they be inspired.
Woo.
We gonna make it. I can't wait.
Scared of with wheels with nigga when they bring my dope in.
Oh shit.
You know what I'm saying?
This little girl like, yo, we go. I'll be lit. We'll have a tear in my eye.
Oh God.
I'll give the graduate. I'll be like, yo, I'm so proud of y'all little niggas. Y'all made it through the academy.
Yo, fuck with you, my nigga.
Yo, y'all niggas gang. We
Talk
out
that
here.
shit, my nigga. Word
Yo,
up.
talk that shit,
Yo,
yo.
talking shit, dude.
Yo, speak your
Yo, I
codes.
love you, my
Do your
nigga.
codes, yo.
All day, you already know what it
BX Academy, we out here, gang.
You know what I'm saying?
Rep
Love
that
you, my
BX
nigga.
till the sun come out the sky.
All day.
Oh shit.
Yo, word up, nigga. 80 block, you heard me?
We gonna have a beating ceremony. Just giving niggas beats and burning them with cigars.
When you said beating, I thought you meant beating. Like we have to jump in
Niggas
every
get
graduate.
It's a long graduation.
It's a long ass.
Please refrain from clapping until all the jumping in is completed. And the family's gonna still like, be like, yeah, beat him up.
Flash photography may be triggering.
Yes.
Please refrain.
Please keep the aisle clear while the beatings are occurring. Please, for the sake of yours and others, do not stand up. You will block the vision of the beatings. Yeah. We're gonna run out Yankee Stadium. Just beat the shit out of the kids. It's like 90 degrees.
Yeah. I'll be like, yo, niggas couldn't get Yankee Stadium to do deja vu, but we gonna get it. We gonna do
get
the
it.
Excellent Academy. Fuck that.
Now speaking Valedictorians. No, garnered guests. Peter Guns. Peter Guns comes out there with a baby.
For several babies.
They got one of those fucking strollers with the 3 kids.
Yo, Peter Guns could corner the market right now on like multi-baby gear.
Yeah.
That nigga, if he made a baby Bajorn that holds a baby in the front and the back.
If he wanted to, he could beat Jessica Alba. If he came out with a line of natural baby products for scumbags.
Yeah, she got honest. He could be lion ass. You know what I'm saying? Lion ass baby products.
Lion ass baby products. I swear this sunscreen in this.
Yo, this shit is SPF 15. Word is bond.
Word is bond. That's on blood.
Yeah, it's not Crisco. I'm dead ass.
If you can't trust Peter Guns, who can you trust?
Shit is just one.
He looks at the camera. Uptown, baby.
Oh shit.
I'm Corey Guns and I approve this message.
Yo, is it just me or does I don't confuse Cory Booker and Corey Guns, but I feel like they look alike kinda, and I don't know if it's because of their name is both. I don't know. I'm smacked.
Damn, that was a hot take.
You know what
that
I'm
was a fuego take. There haven't been many fuego
Yeah.
takes on this this episode, but that
You gotta give me one right now. Let's go.
a fuego take.
That's pause. No pause.
A fuego take. Damn. Okay, are you all right?
No, I just had I've been sneezing. Yo, can you get allergies?
Yeah. You can
Later
develop-
in life?
Later in life, yes, you can.
Damn, son.
Damn, son. Where'd you get that?
I was in
Yeah.
Target yesterday sneezing like a motherfucker, dog. I was like, yo, what? I never had allergies in my life. I'm flying through pollen, all the white people stressed. I'm like, yo, inhaling mad nectarines and shit.
Doesn't work like that.
Damn.
Don't work like that when you love some pollen.
I'm like, yo, y'all corny checking the pollen report. What the fuck is a pollen report? That shit's corny. Now I'm just like, breaking out hives and shit. Damn.
Damn, sorry for you. Sorry for you.
New York City's killing me slowly.
Here's a hot take for you. I said this already. Trump doesn't want to be president. He's sabotaging his campaign. He wants to lose because he doesn't want to deal with the responsibility.
Of course. Hell yeah.
Doing it.
That's like when you be a dick to your girlfriend on purpose. So
she'll break up with you.
Yeah.
And she just makes her love for you harder.
Yeah. It's terrible.
It's terrible.
You're like, yo, I didn't show up to your birthday, ma. You're not gonna dump me?
Yo, I fucked your mother. Like, can I just go?
Can you please
Can
break
I
up
just
with me?
go? My God. She's like, no, I love you. We're going to fix this.
No!
I see the better you in you.
I'm sorry. No!
I remember when I was like 15, my sister had a Glamour magazine and it was like, yo, the 3 jerk ways guys used to break up with you. And I ripped out the thing like, Yahtzee!
Chi-chi!
Chi-chi. I was like, word? They was like, show disinterest. I was like, be distant. Interesting. Be mean and hurtful and insult her all the time. Listening.
Okay. Let's
Yeah.
leave this whole part out.
So, yeah. I don't do that now because I'm an adult. I communicate. I use my words.
Word.
I use my words.
That's true because I tell my son that all the time.
You gotta use your words.
Use your words.
You gotta use your words. But the problem with my words is they come out sounding mad gas, even though it's my real life. So people be like, yo, what are you doing this weekend? I'll be like, I might be at Fool's Gold.
You know what I'm saying?
Fool's Gold day off this weekend.
That's right.
So you can be
Saturday.
there. Maybe we hop on stage, maybe we don't. But I actually told somebody this, and the girl responded as if I was trying to be like the wild gas dickhead. And I'm like, no, that's what I'm
probably
going to
what's
be
gonna
doing this
happen this
weekend.
weekend.
Like, what's your problem?
Why is that a bad thing to say?
You know what I'm saying?
We all want you to be. People want you to be sad.
want me to be
Misery
sad.
loves company.
They don't
Dark
want you
Jesus
to-
and Misery Mero at all times.
Dark Jesus in the sick sad world.
Sick world.
Sick sad world.
What's a sick sad thing that happened this week?
A sick sad thing that happened this week. Let's see. A girl killed a giraffe.
A girl killed a giraffe?
She killed a giraffe and a zebra, and then like she posted it on Instagram, and like people were like, "You're sick." She's like some little white girl that's a hunter.
Oh, hunting.
Yeah.
Oh. I thought she went to a zoo or some shit and just fucked up a zebra.
No,
Like, yo, what the fuck?
they have rules against that.
I'm like, what the fuck?
If you try to walk in the Bronx right now with the AR-15, someone Yesenia is definitely gonna stop you.
Yo,
like,
excuse me.
like, sir.
Yo, first of all, what you doing with my brother's gun? Second of all, secondly, you cannot come in here with that.
It's 2:25 to get in.
Sorry.
It's not Wednesday.
Yeah, it's not Wednesday. I'm
Okay.
sorry that little Jewish niggas be coming on Wednesday, but like, it's not today.
It's not.
Okay, so
I like your little curls though.
That's nice. That's cute. Well, you
Are
got
those-
that done now. You got that Isabel Salam. That's nice.
Are those strings supposed to hang under your shirt?
Yo, it's gonna get caught in something.
You can't go into a house of monkeys
No,
with that.
the monkeys will take
The monkeys
it.
will grab that.
The monkeys will take your little strings. You heard me, Shlomo?
Okay.
The monkeys will take your shit.
I don't want to be that guy, but one of the chimpanzees will grab your little hat.
Yo, Wednesday at the Bronx is so ill because that's when the schools go there. So you got mad little public
got the
school. You got
schools?
BX Little Academy there. with Shlomo's Hebrew school there at the same day.
It's just a mess.
It's just shit. It's just wild.
Oh, it's just a mess for everybody. But we're going to take those little nigglets to the Bronx Zoo. We're going to show them a better way. Be like, yo, that's a wolf. And they'll be like, that's a pit bull. I'll be like, shut the fuck up, Jamel.
Shut up.
All right?
You don't even know. Spell pit bull.
You didn't even get the permission slip signed. All right? I'll let you slide on that.
You say your pop texted me. I don't even trust it.
I seen you texting. Why your phone got scratched?
I got your number stored.
Come on. Do better. I love y'all little niggas. Episode 35. It's been your boys. Young Chipotle in the building. Desus Nice. Live from 220 West 18th Street. As always, Pocket Say Fat Latino. Chris That's Singers.
Right.
Eli Lip B. Butcher's Gully.
What?
Slow but that might know your bitch.
Right.
Young Day Party. Young Hot Take. DJ Fuego. Mr. Nando's with Orlando. Mel Never Sent on 94. Mikel going off the Juve boss. Memsi Liku Gunga P. From 40 with your shorty. Okay, don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you.
We're not familiar.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a.
That's not your purse.
That's not yours. It's mine. Give me that.
That's not your purse.
It's my merce.
I don't know you. That's not my purse. Mr. La Marina and Miss Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, a.k.a. your problematic babe.
Wow. You little nigga, baby, come here. Yo, it's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. Human Doer Flap, a.k.a. Skirt Loader, you know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Ben Smack Biyombo, Field the Ass Tyson, you know what I'm saying? Baby Newport, Curve Gotti, you know what I'm saying? Rico Sabroso, I open your medicine cabinet, nigga, I don't care.
Doesn't care.
You know what I'm saying? I do not care. You know what I'm saying? Check the guest list again, because if the names ain't on it, your guest list is incorrect.
Oh, man.
And swipe my motherfucking debit card again, because I know my shit is legit, and it's working. My pieces is hitting. Holla.
A.k.a. the Prime Minister of Smack City.
Smack
City. We're back live next week.
Yeah.
Until then, avoid the book is beloved.
Yo.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Don't vote for Trump.
Trash.
Don't put people at risk.
Don't.
Don't. We out.
Ah.